Hey, and we are back. So, this morning I was working on, pardon me one second, I was working on making the Spark PR for doing filter pushdown work, sort of fixing a corner case. Looks like it passed CI, that's great. And I'm going to try and get some folks to review it. Let's put on some more Technoax royalty-free music. It's got some 8-bit vibes going. So yeah, we got some 8-bit tunes going. That might be a little loud. Whatever, we'll sort of figure it out as we go. And then the other thing that I'm gonna do today, that's this afternoon, I suppose, is we are going to work on the Sparklens PR that I've been working on for a while. And so this is PR to try and add like basic auto tuning sort of to Sparklens. Yeah, this is maybe that. So let's go ahead. We're going to go here. We're going to go push this to Skunkworks. And then the next thing that we're gonna do, I guess let's just keep hacking on this branch for now. So next thing that we probably kind of want to tune. So we've got this tuning the initial executors, and that's great. The other thing that we might want to tune could be max executors. That's definitely something we could tune. Could make a lot of sense to do. But maybe there's something else that we might want to tune. And I'm going to bring up some notes that I've got for myself, sort of on things we might want to tune. Tuning. Okay, cool. So, other things that we might want to tune. Yeah, okay. The default parallelism, shuffle partitions, memory fraction, broadcast threshold, and yeah, we could also look at max executors. That's something that might make sense. Let's go look at the analyzer. I think there's a few different analyzers. So efficiency statistic analyzer, executor wall clock analyzer, host time. Okay, don't really super care about that analyzer. Let's go look at the stage skew analyzer. So we've got a total tasks in all stages. We've got sort of shuffle input, output. That's max executors, max cores, total runtime. Got check for GC or shuffle service. Why is it checking for garbage collection and shuffle service at the same time? That's weird, but Okay. Okay. So, task stage skew, and then check with right metrics, and then read fetch, and then GC. Interesting. So okay, this is an idea here. We could use this conceivably to like keep track. Really? I don't super love any of these analyzers though. Doot. So let's go look at some things that we might want to output a tuning of. I'm trying to tune. Tuning the memory is I really don't want to touch the memory. Mostly because that's like kind of hard to get right. Yeah. We could try and change the default parallelism. And that might make sense. So, okay, how would we determine what a good default parallelism, what a better parallelism is? So really, if task skew is low and the task compute time overall is high, we probably want to increase the parallelism. So that's a possibility. I don't love this though, but what are we gonna do? Okay, so let's go over here. Let's go take a look at our executor timeline analyzer, and we're gonna make a analyze and suggest. It's gonna be string map string. And then here we're gonna just do this. Okay, and then we're gonna write a note here. In theory, if the compute time for stages is generally large and skew is low, we can suggest increasing the parallelism. We can suggest increasing the parallelism. Now, so we want to group stages into either shuffle reads, where the Ah. Where the, sorry, my brain is running half speed. Shuffle partitions config is the one change, or yeah, okay. Increase the parallelism. We want to filter for stages which are equal shuffle reads. Yeah, let's just do one for now, right? We don't necessarily need to do everything. So, and this just mutates. I don't. Once again, this like whole building up this string, I don't love it, but that's all right. And you know what? Def compute suggestions. AC is type. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? We're gonna do this. Analyze app context, start time, end time, compute suggestions AC. If I'm going to make suggestions on a full window. And we're going to go with this comment here. Especially if it's below max execs. We might want to suggest increasing both max execs and parallelism if they're equal. Yeah, that seems semi-reasonable. Yeah. We also may want to suggest turning off coalesce in AQE if we see slow stages with small data. Yeah. Cool. So is it the executor timeline analyzer? I feel like it is. Yeah. Cool. Oh, it made a beeping sound. I don't know what it's from, but that's okay. Okay, so that's like an idea, I think. So, how are we gonna do this? Okay, cool. So, let's go over to our stage skew analyzer. Kind of want. Okay. What are we gonna? Let's go to another function here. Def. So what are we gonna do? So, AC dot stage map. So that's an int to stage time span. It's not super useful. So aggregate metrics executor get stage. What the? Let's go look at this app context again. Stage time span. Okay, let's go take a look. Stage time span dot scala. Map. I mean, value is really the only thing I care about here, I think. Let's go dot filter. I want to filter the keys. V dot um, where the fudge? This isn't, once again, super useful. Also, once again, I think we can get rid of this. Not generally care. Let's do that in a separate PR, though. Okay. So What I want is I want the task executor runtime. And we also kind of want, oh, the other thing that we want is like maybe peak executor memory across all tasks. That would also be useful. So, but we can do that in another place beside the stage skew analyzer. Wait, I'm gonna file some JIRAs for myself. Do this. Is there no issues tab? Wait, what? Where's the issues tab? Settings. Okay, I guess maybe I can do this in the Holden in my own personal pull-up. Yeah, there we go. I want issues turned on. It's not perfect, but whatever. Issues, new issue. Use task metrics, peak executor memory to right size jobs. Cool. It's an issue. Well, we'll deal with that later. Okay. So meantime, this is like temp task time. No. Fuck this. I want that. Right? I need this. And let's get rid of this. Okay. Why is this not? Task execution times. Task execution times. Yes, okay, this can be 10. Why is... I don't know. I don't... We actually want to keep the start times so we can suggest increasing max execs if we see very different start times. Since that can indicate okay, v.task execution times. Okay. Uh, if if the minimum time is less than, I don't know, 10% of the max time, Okay. If this is less than 10%, and tasks equals so I really, like, ideally I want to know if it's a SQL task, but I don't think there's an easy way for me to tell if something is a SQL task. Let's go take a look inside of Spark. Task info. Task locality. And we also kind of want to filter out all of this. Okay. So there's some other things we want to do inside of our and task info compute ignore speculative tasks. Okay. Why doesn't this just get the duration from... So we want the shuffle read metrics. Or go find SRC. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go back. Run e2e.sh. These are indeed SQL. Fantastic, my friend. Let's go see if there's something that tells us these are SQL tasks. I'm guessing. Oh. Ah. Okay. So this would be another thing that we want to track. Be oh. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So here we go. We would probably look for... Wait, this doesn't have SQL in it, does it? No. Stage details. Yeah, it's a stage completed. Let's go. So on stage completed in the details, if it contains org Apache Spark SQL, then it's probably a SQL task. That seems fair. So we could do that. But we're gonna have to SQL task. Sure. Whatever, it's gonna fail to compile. stage skew analyzer, stage skew analyzer. Oh yeah. And on tasks is approximately equal to shuffle dot SQL task. Future. Tabs num tasks minus partitions. There we go. Yeah. So then in that case, what would we want to do? We would want to take, so we've got like a minimum length of time, and our minimum time is going to be like some value. So our minimum time, or actually maybe we'll just do values. So let's say that everything's got like a 1 minute overhead, or a good target task time is like 10 minutes. So what would you do? We would say scale factor is equal to in time divided by how many tasks had to reach more than 4x. Man, else 1. Dot max. Val new scale. So let's not convert it to an int. If new scale factor is greater than and down here AC dot, we're gonna go over to our executor timeline analyzer. Yeah, okay. Shuffle partitions is equal to complex get spark.sql dot shuffle dot partitions dot get else 200 AQE coalesce spark QE coalesce. Weird network error. That's funky. Funky monkey. Coalesce. Or else true. AQE else it's going to be spark.sql.adaptive. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, so then we're going to go val problematic coalesce stage map dot values dot map values all right, we're gonna go back to our stage time span. Like a shuffle? No. Is there any shuffle read? If task info dot There's a metrics here. Am I? Or is that? Oh, it's going to be task metrics. Oh. Task metrics. Dot shuffle. Read metrics. It's not equal to null. Then fantastic. Okay. Stage skew analyzer. Go back up here. To do verify that AQE on that particular stage. E dot is SQL switch this to, is this a SQL stage? And look at this. Var SQL stage. False. It's a stage completed. So we need to do that on a stage completion. Yeah, okay, never mind. Not. Spark listener stage submitted. Do you have? Yeah. Okay, so it's in there too. So it's in the stage submitted one too. So that should be good enough. And v shuffle read. And the other one that we're going to want to do is task selection partitions. Okay. Problematic coalesces is equal to stage map. So right now, as it's structured, we get, yeah, seats. Right now, we get the fixed first stage, maybe Um, suggested is equal to new mutable dot suggested go suggested spark dot SQL dot shuffle dot partitions new scale factor times shuffle partitions. Okay, I'm definitely gonna make this a separate branch because like this is getting kind of out there. But that's okay. Um, values dot if automatic coalesce uh, okay, cool. Let's go ahead and make a different branch here. And partition tuning advice. Certainly far from perfect. Probably doesn't even, this definitely doesn't compile, but this gives us like a interesting start place. Clean compile. Fantastic. Okay. Cubal job listener. New stage. Stage submitted dot stage info dot stage sub feel like it's details that contains Spark org.apache spark.sql is That. Oh, stage skew analyzer. Huh. Asked. Okay. Task execution. Okay, it's task execution times. Task execution time. That's oh. Okay. Shuffle. That's fine. Petitions. Ah, hmm. Stage map. Okay, cool. Ask execution. Now we assume if we've got read and tasks is less than the default partitions, then it's task. And go. And then here, shuffle the count peak. Yeah, what do we do with this count? Fuck that. Okay, I do are instead pastimes. And then here, this becomes override. Okay. What are you inheriting? What's making you implement get map? Fine. So wait, yeah. What? Fine. Okay. Let's get back to okay. And then stage skew analyzer sweep Scala. Don't really care about executors. So it's going to be stage 1 is equal to new stage times non-SQL times. Stage 2 is equal to new stage span 2 to mutable dot map span, and then here stage new mutable dot hash map int times span stage times 2 equals stage. Stage 2. Shuffle read. Stage 3. Only stage 2 should have the number of partitions. Okay. Equal tasks. Stage 2 should impact the target number of partitions, and then stage 3 should have us turn off a queue. We're gonna refactor this a little bit. It's true, and then stage times span type mutable hash map turn off AQE if stage 3 fails. And then stage skew analyzer.scala skew analyzer, and we're just going to call suggest. Okay. So what do we do to make stage 3 something which would make it want to turn off AQE? So stage 3 dot what's it gonna be? task execution times array int one really long step. All right, let's write some cases where this might fuck up too, just so that like we've got some notes. Stage SKU analyzer. Oh. Oh. Stage SKU analyzer. Where is this not? Compute suggestions. And you are going to be a Sage SKU analyzer. Sage SKU analyzer suite. Cool. And that fails. Task execution times. Okay, stage 2 should impact the target number of partitions. Okay. Okay, cool. Insert suggestions, comma, empty string. Okay. Turn off AQE when severe bad coalesce. Yeah. Stage 1 should don't suggest non-SQL stages. Right. All right, that's not terrible either. So then, oh, meow meow. Hey, monochromatic. How's it going? The next thing that we're gonna do. So change number of partitions when using when not skewed stage 2. Yay, meow meow meow. Leave AQE on. The first text. If we just have ooh, actually, fudgesicles. I'm realizing let's coalesce. Yeah. Otherwise, probably being configured through adaptive That's good. If there's less than 10% difference between min and max, the limited skew, and slow, consider increasing the partition. Okay. This is getting intense, but that's all right. Shuffle the partitions. I think this is going to be 400, give or take. Aim for partitions. Oh, sorry, one really long. Okay, cool. Let's see here. None did not equal 400. Fantastic. So this isn't working. So min time minus max time should be true. Shuffle partitions. Nothing changed. So there we go. Okay. I'm gonna go. And we're also going to specify this. Cool. Okay, switch println debugging. Min time, max time, yeah, okay. Task. Oh, cool. That worked. Okay. I'm gonna be honest with you. Wasn't really expecting this to work. That's, I mean, it's a pleasant surprise. Surprise nonetheless. Just expecting there to be more errors. Okay. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go pee and grab some more water, maybe a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna do a little wrap-up chat, and then I'm gonna bounce. But I need a bio break, so I will be right back. Bloop. Oh. Okay. So I'm back. I got coffee. Oh god, my shoulder's fucking killing me. Hmm. Been, I deadlifted 100 pounds today, so it's exciting, but everything's a little sore. Thankfully, not my back. Knock on wood. But you know. Okay, so what are we looking at here? This is looking pretty solid. The next thing that we could do, which I'm tempted to do, is start introducing the recommended driver. Sorry, no, the recommended executor memory downscale. And I think roughly, sort of to sketch out how we do that, is we just take this max executor memory, and if everything is like, if our executor memory is configured above that, say 2x above that, we scale down. You know, not perfect, but I think it's could be an okay place to start. I guess. Now that being said, like, I don't know, I don't think I can do this in 3 minutes, and I think this is probably better to do as a like maybe tomorrow or the next day sort of thing. So we're gonna do get diff get commit -am hack the stage skew analyzer to suggest, where are we suggesting? Turning off AQE, coalesce, and SQL non-partitions. We're going to do this. We're going to also push this to Netflix Skunkworks. Okay, cool. So I think that's like it's a place for us to start. And I'm gonna Netflix Skunkworks. This isn't showing up. Okay. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is this. Huh, what? Oh. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, git branch. And tests for the stage skew. Okay. What? So this is saying that this doesn't. What? I'm like 80% sure we did more code than this. Wait, what's in the master here? There's an event history test. Yeah. Ah, this is the bug. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna have to come back and fix the Git history. And we'll do that another time. Thanks everyone. I'll see you later.